I go fight for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. I love you, die for you, ladies, but I'll live my life for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. Yeah, Kolorsbykel. We could go on a vacation, have fun maybe all night long. Yeah, Kolorsbykel. Yeah. We could go on a vacation, have fun maybe all night long. I get money like bastard. You know, feed it my last card. I want to know your cash app. Oh, you want to make me do shit, no? Your body's heavy, love me. 1, 2, 3, I sang back for you.
Okay, you guys, so I'm indecisive. Should I go and make this little pillow here to be gold and white to fit the bedding? It matches this gold little blanket here with all the nice sparkle. Tell me in the comments which one would you go with? Well, it is day 2 of Vlogmas. I just wanted to share how I am styling my bed. I just changed it up. I added in this wreath that I got last year from Target. Added this pretty red crushed velvet hair bow. It came out of H&M. I just added those little lights. I got them from Amazon, $7.99 or so. And here goes. So as you can see, I am debating on which pillow to make. Should I use this pretty gold thread, or this is a pillowcase? And you know, I always do this. This is a placemat. I just open it up at the pillow and turn the placemat into a pillow. So do we like the red and the white? We're conflicted here. 2 people said gold and white here, and the other 2 said red and white. So you guys be the determining factor. Never the same. Every time you remake it, it turns out different. But that gives it character. Here goes jewelry on there. I don't know if I'm going to keep this pillow or not. I kind of like the little neutral vibe of it. And there you have. Alright, you guys, so here goes the bed all made and styled. I'm going to go to Bath & Body Works for candle day and then come back and braid my hair. This is pretty much the day. So this is pretty much my day, cleaning out this bathroom, switching out this stand. The boys, you know, or when we have guests over. So I just place this little wreath up onto this little flower pot. I kept this very simple. Nothing on this shelf. I just added this bamboo into there. All the wash rags, I'm washing all the wash rags and stuff, so that's what goes into there. And then this is the tissue, and then this is the cleaning supplies. I have it in this acrylic bucket, but I'm probably gonna switch it out. But and then this here goes this. I added this tray. I believe it's from Crate and Barrel or Pottery Barn, not quite sure. And then these little berries, Hobby Lobby 60% off. This is their little face mask and their cologne. Okay, I'll let you know tomorrow what I have placed in set of this stand in the living room, dining room area. I will share that on tomorrow. This little faux basket of greenery, just didn't have anywhere else to place it. Felt like it did really well. And then this is our wreath that I had on the back of our front door last year. I like these like berry tone. It's so cute. Play around with it when I get my hands free and straighten them out. But yeah, I like this color. It's really pretty. So that is what I added into this bathroom. All right, you guys, so if you enjoyed this little styling video here in our little apartment here in Miami, thumbs up. I really do appreciate it for tomorrow's video. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you here. Until the next time.
It's not